So these are the Thursday boots I was talking to you about. These are the President Natural that run for $199. So you guys can see there's some scratches on the top, and they were kind of deep. Those on the side. I work in a grocery store, so there's also like marks on the side because of course we're on our feet the whole day here in New York City. That's the label, size 10. The other one is not that as it's not as bad as the other one, but for sure there were some scratches on the side. Again, the whole point of this was to eliminate as much as I could those scratches and kind of blend them in together. So this leather balm I got actually off of Amazon because on their website they sell it I think for $20. I was able to get this for 14 actually. As you guys can see, just shake it off really good. And it's a thick white coat. So the way you want to start with this, on the packaging label for the leather balm, it says to apply to a towel. I basically ended up using a old t-shirt that I had that I wasn't using, and I just applied it on the leather because it to me it gave it more of a shine than just putting it on the t-shirt. So this is the Cobbler's Choice horsehair that I wasn't able to get anywhere else that was cheaper on their website. I actually ended up getting this for $12, and it's worth 100% of those $12. So just like it does, and I don't know if you guys do watch tutorials on their website and how to brush the boots, it's pretty simple, just back and forth. And you want to make sure you get those places where the damages were. In this case, it was scratches, and I was able to go and just keep buffing left and right, or however you want to call it, up and down, until it gave this shine and it blended in those scratches really well. So as you guys can see, that's the final product. The stains are not going to be removed because this is more to blend in those scratches, because this is more for scratches and also to give that shine back to your boots. And it says on the website you should definitely do this like at least once a month. I don't do that. I probably just wait until they start getting a little bit dirty, start like these deep scratches, and that's when I start probably doing the leather balm. But it does a very good job in the front. As you can see, there's no more visible scratches. It blended in very well with the boot, so very happy with the final product.